Det här är då sponsorerat av Nike och Fred Perry.
I heard the wise man is always right. Never seen forgiveness in his eyes. You want more and more.
Here comes the, y'all don't really want it like here comes the, y'all don't really want it like here comes the, y'all don't really want it like E-double-L. I said so, I keep big bills up in my hood on the dirty like Bledsoe. Ain't got no twist in my head, but I'm still dreadful. And I got plenty of bread, so I go to bed full. I'm in it to win it, I'm all in. I might call you my cuz, I'm good, but we ain't kidding. You think of jumping, man, you best think again. The dirty, I'm the type of man that might go broke for revenge. Had some not so nice friends, kick the door off the hinge, take the door off your bins, pop up my phone with your friends, man, please. This shit ain't cynical, man, no subliminal, I'm physical, financial, and mental to be.